Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first card using the Scalloped Blooms bundle with the Bloom Boutique Designer Series paper. So there it is up close. And I used a 5 1/4 by 4 piece in the background. This one's on the crisp cantaloupe. Used the crisp cantaloupe ink and the ribbon. And this is 2 different scalloped dies, and then this one is this die, and I just cut it twice. So you cut it once and then you turn it around and you line it up and you cut it again, and you can customize the size of your greeting. And then I use some of the in color dots just to give it a little bit of shine. So how did I do this? Again, I've got, this one is in our hydrangea hue. Love, love, love this color. Anyway, so I made sure that when I cut my dies out, I was right kind of on that edge so that I can line this up and my scallops kind of follow each other around. So super, super simple. I'm just going to go ahead and just flat mount all of this. Let's put this together. Line it all up, make sure I'm kind of even. There we go. Okay, and then we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to flat mount again. The hardest thing is deciding which side up to use the paper because they are all so pretty. Okay, now we're going to take this whole thing and we're going to add some ribbon. What I really like about this is the color on the back is completely different than the color on the front. Because if this and this were on each other's side, I'd use up twice as much paper. I'm still using up twice as much paper, but I've got the options to use different papers together. That doesn't make any sense, and I'm sorry it doesn't make any sense, but it just means that I can not use all of the same paper up at the same time. So we're just going to run this round, give it a push, and I've cut that too long, so I'm just going to trim it off just so I don't have that bulk behind. Okay, and then I'm just going to add more adhesive and pop this down. Again, this is a 5 1/4 by 4, so I need to line it up equal top, bottom, and sides. Drop it down like that. Okay, and then my greeting is dimensionalized, and again I double cut it with that die so I could customize the size of the piece. And then this is going to go over the end like this. There we go. Then I'm going to take a second piece of ribbon and I'm just going to pop it through and do a faux bow. And the trick to doing this is leave your ends long enough. You can always trim them up later. And I'm just going to leave, I might trim this one just a little bit more. There we go. Okay. And then we're just going to add these are the in color dots, they're called, and they are super shiny. They are so cool. So I'm just going to use a large one of the hydrangea hue, and then a small one to pop down at the bottom there, and another small one just to pop over here. So super simple using the bundle, using the dies, the stamps, and the paper. So we've got our 2 versions. We've got our crisp cantaloupe and our hydrangea hue. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for 3 more card ideas this week, and let's create together again soon.